Beyshekeев, he's in the blue. Ишенимдүү of Georgia is in the red. Beyshekeев is a 23 world champion. That was here in Tirana last year. Asian silver medalist in 2024 as well. He ranks nicely, Beyshekeев. Some ranks some gymnasium, the number of names that they have together. Beyshekeев making his way in that world.
Саймадан супер сунуш. Кубаттуу гигабиттик жаңы муундагы Wi-Fi роутер. Секундасына 1 гигабитке чейин супер ылдамдыкты колдоо. Ар түрдүү диапазондогу 2 Wi-Fi тармагын жөндөө мүмкүнчүлүгү. Үйүңүздүн каалаган бурчунда туруктуу интернет. Жана ушуну сиз премиум 500 плюс ОТВдын супер ылдам тарифин кошууда таптакыр акысыз аласыз. Күтүүнүн кереги жок. Сайманы кош.
Last year in the World Under 23s, it's just surprising, how strong he was, how good he was for the 6 minutes, those high amplitude throws, how explosive the man is. Really impressive.
First real attack from Jengdi. Georgia. That's for one, and then at Mayev as well. Andrew Mayev. Victories.
You open fingers.
Fight is going to be a small mistake. Maybe he rushes a little too much on his openings
Much more
get the point and get Beyşekiev down in parterre. It's so difficult to get them out of position. So they always look so composed. There's no confidence whatsoever.
Beyşekiev penalised. Nothing's balanced up again.
Beyşekiev, both been one for grabbing the fingers. He's won both of them twice. First with Beyşekiev says, do it again, I'm going to penalise you for those points. He did it again, he warned him. Ketsuriani goes back into the centre and then takes fingers himself, and I mean, then it's only fair to penalise both wrestlers.
Close eye. Those fingers are doing that. Beyşekiev not far away here from making it through to the gold medal contest. Suriani jumping. He's willing to take every chance possible here. This out of the fight. Beyşekiev is going to do that. He's going to get there. To tonight's final. Doing the bulk of his hard work in those opening 90 seconds. To do for Ketsuriani.
Beyşekiev just did a great job just keeping that tempo for the 6 minutes. Slow down, didn't get out of position. Really composed, really tight, really not making any errors whatsoever.